Hello guys, I will show you how to install PyCharm 2019. First I will show you how to download. Go to this link, you will find it on the description of the video, and then click on download, and it will ask you if you want to choose professional or community. So I will choose the open source community and click on download. This is free, and if you want the pro version, you must pay. Okay, the download will start. I will cancel because I had already download, and then this is my download file. Double click here, and waiting to open. Select the PyCharm community edition version that you want to install. Okay, this is because I have an old version, so yes, I want to install 2018, and next. Okay, delete. So this is if you have an old version, but if you don't have an old version, just continue and start the installation. So now it asked me to choose the install location for 2019. So okay, here, and you can change it by clicking on browse and click on next. Create desktop shortcuts for 64-byte launcher. Okay, yes, and next. Also next and install, and it starts to install, so please wait. So the installation is finished. You can click to run for running PyCharm Community Edition and finish. You can leave it, and now it will open PyCharm, so please wait. And this is the icon folder which has created previous version. Do not import setting, okay, or okay, take the previous version, enable. So no problem if it doesn't take the previous configuration, but just click on do not import and then continue. So here, create new project, for example. For example, my first project. And create. So welcome to PyCharm 2019.2.2. Close, I don't need. For example, let's add a new Python file, and let's run first example. For example, test Python file, and here I will create an example. Print hello from empty software, and just run. So here we see on the console hello from empty software. So this is how to install PyCharm 2019, the latest version, and to run first example. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe and comment. Goodbye.